Hello and welcome back to Learn Chinese with Taranum. In today's video, we are going to learn 5 essential Chinese words that are super useful in daily life. These words are perfect for beginners and will help you speak Mandarin more confidently. Let's begin. Our first word is jiārén. Jiārén. It means family. Let's look at a sample sentence on your screen. 我爱我的家人。I love my family. 我爱 I love 我的家人 my family. So complete sentences I love my family. The next word is 朋友. 朋友. It means friend. Look at a sentence on your screen. 他是我的朋友。他是我的朋友。He is my friend. Another useful word is 漂亮. 漂亮. It means beautiful or pretty. Let's look at an example sentence on your screen. 你很漂亮. You are beautiful. 你很漂亮. You are beautiful. You can use it to compliment someone nicely. Now let's learn another important word which is koi. It means expensive. Here's an example sentence on your screen. As you can see, a handbag with a price tag of 6,666 rupees, which is quite expensive. So we can say 这太贵了. 这太贵了. This is too expensive. 太贵. Too expensive. You can use this sentence whenever something costs too much. And our final word is piányi. Piányi, which means cheap or inexpensive. You can see the picture of a boy holding a t-shirt with a thumbs up. It means the shirt isn't expensive, so we can say 这个很便宜. 这个很便宜. This is very cheap. 很便宜, very cheap. You can use this sentence when something is affordable or has a low price. Okay, that's it for today. Today we have learned 5 essential Chinese words that will help you in daily life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Learn Chinese with Taranum. Till the next video, goodbye. 再见.